Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this 613 hair. I did have the footage of me actually installing it, and I'm so upset because that install went seamlessly, and then I got to transferring the files from my camera to my laptop, and then I saw this picture right here. So yes, for some reason the files were like corrupt and they weren't able to transfer, so I lost all that footage of me styling, installing this hair, cutting the lace, tinting, everything. I'm so mad because I wish I would have realized that something was wrong earlier, but there was no way for me to know. So yeah, I'm just going to be reviewing the hair itself. So this wig and this scarf right here is from Unice hair. Okay, they sent me a 10A blonde human hair lace front bob wig. This is Brazilian Remy straight hair. It is a 13x4 lace frontal. It is a pre-plucked wig with baby hairs. I actually didn't notice the baby hairs while I was doing it, but it's definitely pre-plucked, and they did a very good job at pre-plucking it. It is 150% density. This is 10 inches long, and it is in the color 613. And you guys, I was so scared to try 613 wig, but I've been wanting to try 613 wig for a long time, and in love. I feel like a black Barbie doll. I feel so beautiful. I feel powerful, actually. Oh my goodness, I freaking love this wig. It is so nice and it is so affordable. It is under $100. As a matter of fact, it's under $90. It is $88.49 for the 10-inch one. So of course, if you like shorter than this, if you like 8-inch, then it's going to be even cheaper than that. The 8-inch is $75. So this is definitely such a good price, especially because you can do so much with the 613 wig. You can dye it to any color that you want it to, any style that you want it to. So of course, I'm going to be doing a video in the future of me dyeing this a different color. I want to do something like out of my comfort zone. So I'm thinking, you know, I'm really feeling like a hot pink right now, but I don't know, we'll see. The cap size is medium. It is 22 to 22.5 inches. I actually fit this cap size really well. I have a 22-inch size head, so this was perfect for me. The last wig that I tried from Unice hair, I tried their highlighted wig, and that wig was actually just a tad bit too small for me, like too small for my head, which was weird because it said that it was the exact same size as this one, but this one fits absolutely perfect. Like, it was just amazing. I didn't even have to put the adjustable straps on because it fit my head so nicely. The lace color comes in a light brown, and the knots are lightly bleached to avoid shedding. I did go ahead and I tinted the lace to match my skin color, and as you can see, it is doing very well against my skin tone. I don't even have a full face of makeup on, and it looks really nice. This wig is amazing. The quality is so nice. All I did to this wig was straighten it. Literally all I did to this wig was straighten it, and then I put some of my makeup like on the hair to kind of give it like a brown root effect because I didn't like how it looked on me personally with just the straight blonde. I did not tone this hair. I did not do anything. I literally just straightened it and put it on my head and installed it and tinted the lace a little bit. And tinted the hair just a tiny bit with my makeup, and that's all I did. It laid really nicely. I went ahead and did my baby hairs. This wig was really easy to lay. It didn't give me a hard time at all. This hair is so nice. It is so soft. The quality is good. It doesn't have any weird smell, nothing like that. Of course, if you have any questions, just leave them in the description box down below, and I will make sure to get back to you about that. But this hair is absolutely amazing. Of course, I'll leave all the links down in the description box. And again, thank you to Unice hair for sending me this and the scarf. I did use the scarf to help lay down my baby hair, and it worked out perfectly. I hope you guys go buy this wig. It really is worth the money. Stay tuned for the video of me dyeing this wig a different color because I do owe them a different video because I feel bad for losing all the footage. So thank you guys again for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe because we are on the road to 10K. And follow me on all my social media. Will be in the description box down below. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see me take pictures with this hair because yes, it's coming. So yes, thank you guys again for watching. That is all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Real talk.